Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to turn off Meta AI chat on Facebook? In the Facebook, you cannot disable Meta AI feature. However, you can mute it until you want. To do so, you have to open Facebook and look for the search bar at the top of the page. Instead of a magnifying glass, it now appears as a blue gradient circle. Once in the search bar, click the blue arrow that appears to the right. This will take you to the Meta AI chat. Look for the eye icon in the upper right corner and click it. Click the mute option that appears on the next page. Select how long you want to mute the chat. If you're looking to do so indefinitely, choose the Until I Change It option. How to disable Meta AI on Instagram? Like Facebook, there's no way to completely disable Meta AI on Instagram. However, you can ignore the prompts or mute your conversation with the AI by following these steps. Open the Meta AI chat on Instagram and tap the eye icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select Mute from the options. Choose how long you want to mute the AI, 1, 8, or 24 hours or indefinitely. So, this is all about how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.